Hello, today we gonna make a Christmas ornament. We need stems, a glue gun, and a scissor. We will take one of the stem and we will put aside the other stems. We will fold in half. And now we will put our thumb on it, and at the sides we will turn. And we will do the same thing on the other side. And now we will make 5 more pieces like this. Now we need 6 pieces, so we'll put them on the side, and we will take the last one and we will fold in half. We will cut it, and we will take one piece and we will turn it like this. And now we will repeat the same step with the other. Now we will take one piece, take one of it, and we will stretch it for that be bigger. And we will do the same step with the other. And one piece from here, we'll put some glue on the upside, and we will put the piece on, and we will do the same step. After, when we complete it, we will put some glue, and we will glue the other part on. And here we go, we made a Christmas ornament. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.